Good morning to everybody and good day to all of us sa iba't ibang mundo, kung kahit saan kayo. Good morning, happy day, happy Saturday. Now again, same as usual, I'm working here in the balcony because everybody is asleep and si Sisi, yung alaga ko, tulog pa din. Kaya lagi akong nandito sa maliit na balcony ni Sisi para maglilinis bago siya magising. At saka, pag maglagay ako ng laundry dito ako magsasampay. Kaya ingat kayo lagi kung saan man kayo ulit. Ingat. At huwag ninyo talagang kalimutan yung kalusugan ninyo. Always keep safe to everyone. And thank you again. Thank you to subscribe me. Thank you like me. Thank you kung ano lahat na meron kayo. And you are blessed. Blessed na blessed kayo. Especially sa buhay natin. Kung kahit saan man eh. Tingnan mo yung security. Ayun na. Work na rin. Very early na rin. Okay? Thank you again. Thank you. And bye-bye.